Welcome back to MBS Engineering channel. In today's video, we'll discuss the main disadvantages of using corroded cages in a bag filter system, and why timely maintenance is so important for smooth and safe operation. When the cages inside a bag filter become corroded, several operational and maintenance challenges arise. Corrosion weakens the cage structure, reduces filtration efficiency, and can even lead to system failures. Let's look at the major problems caused by corroded cages. Corroded cages can lead to several operational and maintenance issues in a bag filter system. It causes the damage to filter bags. It causes ineffective cleaning. It causes the poor bag support. It causes the reduced equipment life. It causes the safety and operational risks. It causes the contamination and leaks. It causes the increases differential pressure, DP. It causes the leads to bag abrasion and air leakage. Timely inspection and replacement of corroded cages are essential to maintain stable operation. Next, we will learn and understand the main disadvantages of the corroded cages in a baghouse system. The first disadvantage is, it damage to filter bags. Corroded cages tend to form rough, or sharp edges and flakes that may tear, puncture, or abrade the filter bags, resulting in early bag failure. The need for frequent bag replacement increases overall maintenance expenditure and contributes to extended system downtime. The second disadvantage is ineffective cleaning. If cages are corroded or warped, the bag cannot expand and contract properly during pulse jet cleaning. This causes dust buildup, blinding, on the bag surface, leading to increased differential pressure, decreased airflow through the system, higher energy consumption by the fan. Next, we will learn and understand the main disadvantages of the corroded cages in a baghouse system. The third disadvantage is poor bag support. Corrosion weakens the cage structure, leading to deformation or collapse. As a result, the filter bag fails to maintain its proper shape during operation, resulting in ineffective pulse cleaning, poor filtration efficiency, higher pressure drop, DP. The fourth disadvantage is the reduced equipment life. Corroded cages not only deteriorate themselves but also cause damage to adjacent bags, speeding up overall system degradation. The corroded, rusted areas can bond together or jam, making maintenance and bag and cages replacement more time-consuming. Next, we will learn and understand the main disadvantages of the corroded cages in a baghouse system. The fifth disadvantage is safety and operational risks. If corrosion becomes severe, cages may break and drop into the hopper, potentially damaging other components. This may result in sudden equipment stoppages, or potential fire incidents due to contact with hot or reactive particles. The sixth disadvantage is contamination and leaks. Rust or oxide flakes from corroded cages can contaminate the dust collection system. This may lead to leakage and product quality issues, especially in hygiene-sensitive processes. For example, food, chemicals. Next, we will learn and understand the main disadvantages of the corroded cages in a baghouse system. The seventh disadvantage is increases differential pressure, DP. Damaged or collapsed cages restrict proper airflow, causes uneven dust distribution and higher pressure drop across the baghouse. The eighth disadvantage leads to bag abrasion and air leakage. Corroded surfaces cause continuous friction against the bag fabric. Small holes or tears lead to dust leakage into the clean air side. The summary and conclusion of this tutorial are: corroded cages reduce bag life, increase power consumption, and shorten the overall lifespan of your baghouse system. Therefore, timely inspection, cleaning, and replacement of corroded cages are essential to ensure stable operation, cleaner emissions, and longer equipment life. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Stay tuned for more maintenance and troubleshooting insights on bag filter systems.